Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 2, 2024, Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong January 2, 2024, Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 2, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 2, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.